Hello everyone, welcome to RKTV. A shallow magnitude 6.0 earthquake was reported early morning near Colorado, 47 km northeast of Sanito Lagoon, Sonoma Provincia, Vanuatu. According to the United States Geological Survey, the quake hit on Thursday, 24th March 2022 at 8 a.m. local time at a shallow depth of 12 km. Shallow earthquakes are felt more strongly than deeper ones as they are closer to the surface. Magnitude and other quake parameters can still change in the coming hours as the agency continues the process seismic data. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for